Be your own best, beautiful. Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Riri, and if you're new here, I'm an over 40 lover of all things beauty and indie brands. Today is my So Jaded collab for the month of June with my girl Caitlin. Alright beauties, before we dive in, please don't forget to thumbs up the video if you like what you see. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not yet. I would greatly appreciate it. And turn on your little bell notifications right down there so that YouTube will notify you of future videos. Today is our monthly collab with Caitlin, Cpfashioncosmetics. Each and every single month we dive into our So Jaded palettes and we do a birthstone inspired look. This is one of my holy grail items. It is one of my all-time favorite palettes, and we only have a couple more months to go, you guys, and then we're going to do a full-on 12-month lookbook with all of our looks. So please do not forget to go and check out Caitlin. Also, a special I love you, and I'm sending you a prayer to Caitlin. I will not divulge her personal information or anything like that or what she's going through, but she could use some positive vibes. So please show Caitlin some love. If you have not subscribed to her yet, please go check her out. Tell her that Riri sent you, and y'all know what I say. If you go watch her and you are feeling a vibe, you feel a connection, you can relate to her, subscribe. It is free for y'all, honey. Free. And it means the absolute world to us. If you are coming from Caitlin's channel, hey, beautiful. Welcome to my beauty family. So I'm very excited this month because June is one of 2 or 3 months, I think, that has 3 corresponding birthstones. So we'll be playing around with Moonstone, Pearl, and Alexandrite today. So we have Moonstone, we have Pearl, and we have the beautiful Alexandrite as well. So they're all 3 shimmers. I may go in with a matte and just lay that down just as a supporting character, if you will. Maybe not. We'll see. We'll see what happens when we get there. So happy birthday to all of the June babies. Special, special, special happy birthday to my beautiful mommy and my beautiful niece, who both recently had birthdays. One of my best friends, Amber, just had a birthday. My brother's birthday is coming up. There's lots of June babies. So if you are a June beauty, a June baby, happy birthday. So we're going to dive right on in. Please don't forget to go check out Caitlin's channel and tell her that Riri sent you and show her some love. We're going to get started. Happy birthday, beauties.